I request our National Vice President, Chief President Islam, to kindly offer our bouquet to Prof Malcom as a sign of welcoming into the party. Let's give a big hand. I request our Thank you. Thank you. Just mufflers. Yes. Advisor Prof Malcom Tariang. Again. Anthony Nongkundri. Okay. Anthony Nongkundri. Junster Kharbuli. President James R. Lingwa. Let's get a big hand for our President. All the new members, please be in front. All the new members, officers, please be in front, which have just called us now. All the new
overwhelmed on this occasion. I never expected that the Honorable Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Bardon, and all these dignitaries will be here to welcome a humble person like me in this meeting. And I thank them profusely from the bottom of my heart. But I would also like to confess that this is not the first time that we have met and discussed politics, joining this party or that party. I've told Sir Conrad that if there's one regret that I have in all of this, what has happened today, only one regret, it's that Sir P.A. Sangma cannot be here with us physically at this moment. But I'm very sure that he's looking down on us. He has blessed the NPP family, and I'm very sure that he'll continue to bless our efforts. We are human, we make mistakes, but I'm so happy to see this party forge on ahead in spite of the various challenges that it has to meet from time to time. And I feel personally that this day is a very special day, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, sir, I think it was 3 years ago, I think in the month of June 2019, that the NPP was declared a national party. Now that is a huge thing. It has been declared a national party by none other than the Election Commission of India. Don't mind me saying this, but the NPP had almost been decimated at one point, where they had 2 MLAs. Now to come up from that point to this point of governing the state of Meghalaya, and also being presented with the status of a national party, I think this goes to show the kind of leadership that this party has at every level. First of all, at the top level, which is obviously an inspiration to the grassroots like us. I am now a new entrant to the NPP. I'm very thankful to the block NPP, Shillong 16 Shillong East, for having accepted me with very warmly. Okay, right from the even though she's not a member of the NPP as yet, but I must also acknowledge her contribution, Kong Amperi. Okay. And probably she'll be here. Probably she might come in a little while. Kong Jasmine is there. Okay. Oh, so sorry. Kong Jasmine. Okay. And these are people I've known throughout my lives. Okay. But the only thing is, in politics, in the past, we have been on different platforms for the past many years. It took Sir Conrad Sangma, Sir Tan Song, and the whole NPP family to bring us together. And for that, I think we should give them a big applause for that. It's a huge credit. Okay? So, Badon has, sometimes I tend to go on and on and on, but you know, Kong Bet just now had said about the symbol of the party, the book. For me as a teacher, only one sentence. For me as a teacher, there's no other way for me to join any party except the party which has the book as a symbol. Very simple. Okay. And you know, and I'm so happy that I've been presented with this, because this book will open a new chapter in my political life, and this will be my guidebook from now onwards. So I'm very thankful for the very warm welcome that I have received here today from the Chief Minister, from the Deputy Chief Minister, from the party functionaries, right from the youth wing, from NPYF, from the Mahila NPP group, from the MDCs, from the party workers, okay? And I'm very sorry I cannot mention all of you due to lack of time, but let me say this, that I'm thankful to each and every one of you present here this wonderful afternoon. The rain has come, we receive these blessings from God, whether it is the rain or the sun, and God has cleared this way for us today. He has cleared the way with the rains for us to enjoy this wonderful afternoon. With these words, thank you very much. Mithela Khuble. God bless all of you.